Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the pitch of audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is a really useful technique whether you're trying to fix a voice recording, create unique sound effects, or just add some creative flair to your audio. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up and you have your project ready, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several workspace options. Click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed for audio manipulation. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on Effects. This opens up the effects library, which contains a wide variety of visual and audio effects you can apply to your project. From the Effects panel, click on Audio Effects. This filters the library to show only the audio-related effects, making it easier to find what you need. In the search bar that appears, type Pitch. This will bring up the pitch adjustment effects specifically designed for modifying the pitch of your audio. Once you see it, simply drag the pitch effect directly onto your audio track on the timeline. This applies the effect to your selected audio clip. After you drag the pitch effect onto your audio, a pitch window will automatically pop up on your screen. You can go ahead and close this window for now, since we'll be making adjustments in a different panel that gives you more control and a cleaner workspace. Next, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is where you can fine-tune all the properties and effects applied to your selected clips. Within the inspector, click on Effects. This section displays all the effects currently applied to your audio clip. Now click on Pitch to expand the pitch effect settings. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a parameter called semitones, which is the main control for adjusting your audio's pitch. Here's how it works. If you adjust the semitones to a negative value, your audio will sound deeper and bigger, almost like slowing down a record. On the flip side, if you increase the semitones to a positive value, the pitch will rise, making the audio sound higher and faster. Play around with the semitone slider until you achieve the sound you're looking for. The changes happen in real time, so you can hear exactly how your audio is being affected as you make adjustments. Whether you're going for a dramatic effect or just a subtle tweak, this tool gives you complete control over your audio's pitch. And that's it. You've successfully changed the pitch of your audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.